Hello, welcome our Gearresearch channel. Today in this video, we are going to show some of the best smart smoke detectors that are best sold and reloaded in the last couple on Amazon. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, check the links in the description below, so let's get started with the video. Number 1, First Alert SCOSCN Combination Smoke Detector. This battery-operated unit is easy to install, has visual and audible alerts, and uses multiple sensors. Whether it detects smoke using its photoelectric sensors or carbon monoxide using its electrochemical sensors, the voice alert will let you know about the danger. The visual panel will light up with either smoke or carbon monoxide for another layer of alerts and protection. It uses 2 AA batteries, which many homeowners have on hand. Changing the battery is easy with the pop-open panel on the front of the unit. If you do get a low battery alert, you can silence it for up to 8 hours while you change the batteries in the unit. Like some other smart sensors on this list, this one sends smartphone notifications and lets you know what the issue is, as well as where in your home the problem is coming from. It'll also give voice alerts and features a color-changing ring to provide you with visual cues if it detects smoke, carbon monoxide, or a low battery. Note that this smoke alarm does require a hardwired connection, which takes more work to install and might not provide the most convenient placement for your Alexa unit. Something interesting about this device is that it can connect with other brands of smoke detectors that are hardwired into your home. Number 2, Kidde Smoke and Carbon Monoxide Detector. There are plenty of great smoke detectors on the market, but this combo unit from Kidde sets the bar for ease of installation, superior detection, and multi-type alerts. One of the best features is the voice alerts, which notifies you if it detects fire or smoke, carbon monoxide, low battery, or the hush feature is active. Installation is a breeze with the included base. If you have other Kidde products in your home, you can use the base you already have since they are compatible. This is a battery-operated unit, so you will need to periodically change the batteries. 3 Fortunately, you can do this without removing the detector from the wall-mounted base. The alarms go off. Experts agree that an interconnected alarm system is a superior choice to keep you and your loved ones safe. Thanks to this Kidde alarm, you can create this interconnected smoke alarm system without spending a ton of money and time to rewire your home. Plus, if you have a smart home hub already like Wink or SmartThings, you can connect. This device will still give you wire-free interconnectivity quickly and easily. It uses radio frequency to send and receive messages between your smart home system and/or the other alarms in your home. Number 3, Google Nest Protect Smoke Alarm Detector. If you're willing to spend a little more on a smoke detector, the Nest Protect is a top-rated smart smoke and carbon monoxide alarm. This unit comes in both hardwired and battery-powered models, and it connects to your phone via Wi-Fi to send real-time updates on what's happening in your house. The Nest Protect includes a variety of useful features beyond smoke and carbon monoxide detection. This smart product automatically tests itself to save you the hassle, and it sends alerts to your phone whenever it detects a problem, letting you know there's an emergency, even when you're not home. If there's a false alarm, you can silence the detector from your phone, and when you walk underneath the unit at night, it lights up to help you see better. If you already have a number of non-smart smoke detectors, an inexpensive option is to use Alexa Guard. When enabled, your Alexa smart speakers will listen for smoke and CO2 alarms and will send you an alert on your smartphone if they hear a siren. It can also be connected to some of the best home security systems, such as those from Ad and Ring. Alternatively, if you have a Nest Aware subscription, starting at $6 a month, you can set your Google Home speakers to listen for alarms. Number 4, First Alert SA320CN Dual Smoke Detector. The First Alert SA320 features both photosensitive and ionization sensors, which is likely the reason why it was the only unit that activated its alarm after a single aerosol spray test. Although this high sensitivity sounds good on paper, it can also be the cause of frequent nuisance alarms. These alarms, combined with the removable AA batteries, greatly increase the odds that someone will remove the batteries or the alarm itself. The NFPA reported that between 2009 to 2013, 21% of deaths in home fires occurred when smoke detectors were present but did not operate. It's important to keep this in mind if you're planning to get this unit. I didn't experience any issues installing the First Alert SA320. It uses red wall anchors, which aren't ideal if you want to move the unit to a different location in the room. It also has optional locking features to discourage unauthorized battery or alarm removal. This is a good feature for landlords or anyone else placing the unit who won't be there to monitor it. The First Alert SA320's design makes it feel more functional and less clunky. It does lack the polished appeal of the X-Sense models, though it shouldn't be a big factor compared with safety and effectiveness. Number 5. First Alert Z-Wave Smoke Detector. The First Alert 2-in-1 Z-Wave Smoke Detector is an affordable option if you need multiple alarms throughout your home. This budget-friendly smoke detector and carbon monoxide detector features both electrochemical and photoelectric smoke sensors in order to minimize the risk of false alarms from things such as shower steam. This device can wirelessly link to a Z-Wave hub such as the Nexia Home Intelligence Hub that helps you control the smart devices in your home and sends alerts to your device if you are away from home. If you do get a false alarm, you can silence the alarm with a touch of a single button. We don't think you can wrong with any of the limited options here. So we'll highlight the choices and offer some decision considerations to make the best investment. First Alert has offered smart smoke detectors for several years, and it has different models depending on the features you want. The First Alert One-Link Smoke and C02 detector, available in both battery and wired options, is a good basic choice.